Are you planning a pregnancy? Then preconception, you should know the 4 important points. Start your folic acid tablets, get vaccinated against rubella, stop your alcohol and smoking habits completely, start a balanced diet at least 1 month before planning a pregnancy, and check your blood sugar level, thyroid status and hemoglobin typing of both husband and wife.
Ya kini ke Jingiakhih ke berjarjar layalam du Presiden ke Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC ubah Vincent H. Pala. Ha kebalawan manishim benta di MLA ke MDC beginong yalam keseng Kongres ha kejela ban penpau ke jing solem lor ke jing syak pendo Rahul Gandhi ya ke jinglong dekot kumu MP ha ke Lok Sabha. Habekren beginong patai kubor unong yalam ke Congress Legislature Party ubah Ronnie V. Lingdo. Ulang bagajing temu jong gajing hi bajarjar ke longban persya ajor ya gajing le jong sorkar persya unong yalam ke Congress u Rahul Gandhi.
Yeah, you are right. We are supposed to do the big way, but within 2 days it's difficult for us to organize. Number one, we asked a permission. They didn't give us a permission. Number two, it's raining. So we thought that if it's raining, it's difficult because Shillong is very congested. It's not like other cities. So if we organize in a big way, then there are lots of inconvenience to others, not like before. So I don't know, but hopefully, you see, to organize in a big way, you need time also. You cannot organize within 2-3 days. So maybe in the future, today is the beginning, maybe in the future we'll definitely organize. You are right, we are planning to organize in a big way, but because of within 2-3 days we cannot do so. So we are sorry. And many states they organize in a big way because big states. But here also we'll do something. We had a meeting today also. In case anything, let's see what we'll.
Unong yalam ke Kongres uba Ronnie V. Lingdo. Uli itu uba Vincent H. Pala undu kertong keseng Kongres banikonik election MP ke Lok Sabha kaban long ha kesenam banwan. Namar keseng gajuai tiket syuai kinong mikmat ke beladon lupa. Ha kebedai bat katura parliamentary seat uba Ronnie Lingdo ulong ba keseng kan Scott application na kebantaki kertong ke badan negajing temu banikonik election MP. Bat on sakmi benia yano ban aya ke tiket. Ulong ba keseng Kongres kadon hakalat ke biang bhaban job iki election MP na Shillong bat natura. Ulong ba keseng Kongres kan sami baterai borba hakaban penklan yang keseng daduk kisnong kitau haswa jong ke election MP bat MDC kaban long ha kesenam banwan.
You see, now I think it has gone not only in Meghalaya, in the whole of the country, that the only party that caters, that look after the interests of all sections of society is the Congress. So we are very confident of retaining the Shillong seat. We have our MP here, Honorable President, who is also DMP. We are very, very 100% sure that we will retain the seat because I think you look at the other 2 states election, Himachal Pradesh and Karnataka, where the Prime Minister, the Home Minister, the President of the BJP spent weeks, months to campaign, but they were defeated because you cannot take, the voice of the people for granted. You cannot take the people for granted. So we are very certain that even in the country, this will be the same result.
Presiden keseng Kongres uba Vincent H. Pala ulong ba ke BJP ketemu ban lek dekabor ban pentrekam ya ke Uniform Civil Code UCC. Baleng ba ke UCC ke BJP ketemu ban penkelai keri India kum kari ke badan tang kawai kenyam kawai ke ketian bat kum ta ter. Ulong ba keri India ke kiyo syapharang namar ke jingdon gijat benrio beper om ba kedan ke UCC. Bat ke BJP ke nomla satya namar ke India la imlang da ke Jingiakhih lang baro bat ke Jinglong telilang baro. Uba Vincent H. Pala ubalong MP syaga Lok Sabha ulong bahado mentah ke sorkar India kampat penmi pat ba ya ke draft ha ke bedai bat ke UCC. Hendrai kala susyanya ke sorkar jela Uttarakhand ban penwandur ya ke UCC bill. Uleto bula pha gijing mut syaka Law Commission bat sya menteri rang bado kari ban om pentrekam ya ke UCC ha Meghalaya. Bat ule kren begino ngalam jong ke Sinod ke Balang Catholic bat kini rukya tho syaka Law Commission.
Ka Uniform Civil Code nalian jong ka MPCC menengi lapakat nama pa kumpul kalau mentah ke BJP ka play very cleverly ki hado mentah ka draft ni padui ka draft ki chania ka Uttarakhand government ban draft ya ka bill hagajo ka porpat kilapan ka views trong millions ki priu na through the law commission na personally ngala tho cha law commission na try ngala ai ki katukan ki press kumjoro ikran bat ki balang ba per kum ka sinod kila tho cha ka law commission naliang ka balang catholic naliang ki association ki per kila tho cha ka law commissions ila ai ka views ka law commission but hakajo ko por ngala tho cha prime minister direct but exempt ya kane ka state jongi kamtam ki budan po ka 6 ro ta you see ma ka de ka court jongno ngin board u muslim u hindu u christian te ngin ka court ham kamtam ko makabaya tho kaya tho per kom jongno per kom hindu ne kom christian ne ka kom jong ki muslim ne ka court ne ka hiar pating kahir pating hanu ka mi kasi kahir pating barbar ki khun khadok ma ki kante katba ki hindu pat kahir pating hanu khun nong kong te ngin bot ko kot jong hindu ne ka bot ki kot jong kasi ni ki tribal barbar ni don ka jong ka culture ka jong ka practice ka jong ka system katba ki wei ki don ka jong ka system so ka don ki banta ki bang ya pakhat ba de kam tam kalian ka songka songman ka riti dustur bat hakam ka kahir pating kini kiba perkapa tengah iba BJP ukwa ba kawai kari kawai kaniam kawai kaktin bat kum tatar ndrena tra India we always agree to disagree in India ni barbor ni flourish namar ba of a diversity ni seutnat ban ya discuss ni seutnat ha joko poro ban sentu ekiwai so India is being great because of diversity is not because of uniformity. One thing is that the BJP is trying to convince, is trying to bulldoze, is trying to impose on others through its culture. That will not be possible. India will live, India will unite, India will be strong only through diversity, not through uniformity.
Uba Vincent H. Pala uloong bahag jing sngo shimet jong u omdon kanu ke jing sngo ladawan karel namarkan pensuk shibo ni galit kawan bat kan chong tat ru ahak balaya yikinu kam uba Vincent H. Pala uloong baki karkhana penmi do bilat ki penmi kumba kanyo million ton kabamut lai hajar lai sepaton hak shisngi bat kumbasan pulak ton ke do bilat lara na rilum jantia syagi wei pat ki jela jong kari kumta kan long ka ba ban penbiang ya ki surok ne ke jing deheng kali he ki snam ke bandang wan uloong ba ka Meghalaya kadai ka babon tam yo motion ha ka do ba Asia bat bon ki karkhana kin senang mi bat gejela ka don ru yu do yong ba bahatam ha ka perthai ber okawai da ka bapet gini ki ke baro gejela ka don kam ki jing tei ba ki jing shna ba per ka jing bei tengka ka yo kam yo jam bat ha bapet gini ka liang ka long ka badon kam ka rel ha ka bedai ba gejing persya lentiral kiseng balang uba Vincent H. Pala uloong ba gejing penpau jong kiseng balang ha ka bedai bat ka jing wan rung kerthep ki benu nabar ka long ka bedai namar lada giwan ki brio ki banabar kin kini ki kam ki jam kin shim ki mar po kendo bat ki we bat ngin amla ban kerda ha ki snam ki bandang wan uloong ba gejing penpau jong kiseng balang kam dai satya ka babakla bat kum gejat benrio ka barit pat de ben yo e ki jingada bat ban syak kan tiu ru ka jok kapor uloong bag sarkar jela kadai ban Pynlong ki jingwat bania ban tip hadu katno ka jingwan rung kerthep kala kata ajur gi pat ba ka jela bat hadu katno dang don kam ya ki kam penroy
see Jingiakhih hills Khasi hills be it whatever be it Garo hills if you see the congestion of the road if you see the unemployment if you see the price rise if you see so much problem in the road in terms of maintenance and all I think I personally have no problem if a railway comes. But at the same time, we living in a society where, like I've said, we society we can always agree to disagree. We are living in a society, a small society where many NGOs oppose to it. I think the government has to balance what is the purpose of the opposing to it and what is the development and what is unemployment. So they have to balance. I don't mind if the railway comes. At the same time, if the government think or the NGOs think that we are not in a position to accept the railway, and that also being a small split, I don't mind. But I personally prefer that be it railway, be it highway, be it airport, we should come more so that because the employment instead of our people running away, the goods, especially now, most of the cement factories, we have almost more than 17 million tons. 17 million tons means 3,300 tons per day. That means almost more than 50 lakhs tons are being carried from Jan Hills to the rest of the country. So that is not possible to maintain the road and the traffic in the future. And if we have a railway, that will be easier for us to commute, easier for us, cheaper for us to do so many things. This is one thing we have to look not only the present but the future. At the same time, we have the highest deposit of limestone in Asia. We have the highest deposit of limestone. More factories are coming. We have also coal, the best quality of coal in the world. So with all this, if we look, I think we need more infrastructure, we need more investment, we need more employment. So we look in that point of view, we do it. But if you look from a point of view of what the other NGOs are saying is the infiltrations, if you look at that point of view, they are correct because we are small, and if people comes and take away our job, takes away our minerals, take away so many things from us, we may not be able to sustain in the future. They have a point on this issue, so that's why I said we can always agree to disagree. My point as a member of parliament is to see that the public get what they deserve, and as a mandate given to us, we should express our views. But at the same time, we should not say that, oh no, what they have said is wrong, because they look from a point of view, as a small community, as a tribal community, we should always be protected. But sometimes we should be protected, we should be promoted, but at the same time, we should not be, lose the balance of protection and also the development and employment.